Buying a home is a major decision. Buying a home with a pool adds to that decision-making process. Are you thinking about purchasing a home with a pool? Here are some tips when buying a home with a pool. Having a home with a pool can be a wonderful lifestyle experience. It provides for a cottage-like feel right in your own backyard. A perfect place to cool off on those hot summer days, a place for the kids to play, supervised of course. It can also be a great backdrop for entertaining, and you don't have to travel as it's conveniently located right in your own backyard whenever you feel like taking a dip. Think about how you would use your pool. Will it be strictly for relaxation, for exercising, for doing laps, or just a fun place for the kids to hang out? When considering a home with a pool, there are also some costs involved. If you are putting in your own pool, you would have to weigh the costs of an in-ground versus an on-ground pool. The in-ground pool would entail a higher cost for construction. If you are opting for a landscaped pool area and additional structures like a pool cabana or pergola, don't forget to budget those costs as well. Another alternative is to purchase a home with an existing pool. If you are considering purchasing a home with an existing pool, you would want to determine how old is the pool, what is the construction of the pool, is it concrete, fiberglass, or does it have a vinyl liner? The lifespan of the pool will depend on the materials used and can range anywhere from 5 to 25 years depending on the materials used and the way in which the pool has been maintained. And what is the heat source of the pool? Gas, propane, electric, solar. Solar pools are easy and economical to run, but what happens when you have an extended period of cloudy days, but the kids still want to go for a swim? How old are the components and mechanics of the pool? Think in terms of the liner, the pump, the filter, the skimmer, the heater. Is the pool a salt water or is it a chlorine pool? This is generally a preference determination, and chlorine pools can relatively easily be converted to salt water. Where is the pool located in relation to the house itself? Is it close to the house or is it set off at the back of the property? The location of the pool may affect the ease of use and safety considerations if you have young children at home. If you have young children, is the pool situated in a way that is conducive to young kids? What I mean by this is if you have a patio door from the house, for example, to the backyard, does it go directly into the pool area, or can the pool area be closed off to limit the accessibility to young children? There is also a cost associated with the maintenance and upkeep of a pool in terms of both time and money. Things to consider are who will open and close the pool, who will maintain the pool on a daily or weekly basis. Ongoing maintenance would include things like checking the pool for chemicals, scooping out any debris such as leaves that may blow into the water, and vacuuming the pool for sediment. Having robot vacuum can make this job simpler, and it is a great time saver, but there is also a cost to purchase depending on the type of vacuum that you select. Additional costs of having a pool may include pool chemicals, pool equipment, and the fun toys and floaties used in the pool. There is also a liability issue that goes along with owning a pool. You will need to ensure that the pool has had a building permit that has been signed off. Most permits will also require fencing and self-closing gates to the pool area. You will also want to budget for additional insurance costs. If you are buying a home with a pool already installed, you may want to have a separate pool inspection conducted to give you a clearer understanding of the condition of the pool and its equipment. Having a pool can be a wonderful addition to a home. It is a convenient place to go to relax, to sit by the water, and cool off on those summer days. In considering both the pros and cons of pool home ownership, you can make an informed and best decision to the feasibility of a pool for you and your family. If you have any questions, I'm here to help. Happy house and pool hunting.